The solid extrusion object can be used to insert elements such as gutters, downspouts, cornices, string courses, and so on. To use this object, first select the extrusion object from the draw menu under Architectural Design, and then choose the section type from the catalogue. Choose the appropriate size and profile shape. So let's choose the gutter type section. Let's now insert the solid extrusion directly from within the 3D view. With a first click, this sets the insert point, then follow around the roof slopes, inserting further intersection nodes. As we trace the extrusion, you can still define a different alignment using the F5 and F6 function keys. Once we have reached the last point, we can then conclude our extrusion tracing by clicking the Finish button, whereas clicking on Close, we can close the perimeter joining the start and end points. With the object in select mode, we can, as always, select the object, and with the options in the Properties pane, change its features. With the toolbar and local pop-up menu, you can then insert or delete a node, reopen the perimeter at the selected section, or add an offset.